carcinogen classification I'm giving you, because carcinogen, that is the most important agent which tends to produce cancer. So there are classification on every side where you can see that what sorts of agents, which is carcinogen, and what type of foods which can create cancer in our body. Okay, so we have to avoid such things. Question number 10. Movement of ion against the concentration gradient is active transport, osmosis, diffusion, all of these. So what would be the answer? And the answer will be active transport. How? See, through this picture I'm just showing you how the active transport can work in the ions against the concentration gradient. Active transport, where molecules move from a region of low concentration to region of high concentration, and the passive transport is where molecules move from a region of high concentration to a region of low concentration. So just see this difference and maybe you will easily understand the difference between active transport and the passive transport, because this is important question, so I'm just giving you the detail of the transportation. Okay, next is question number 11. Which of the following is a protein deficiency disease? Okay, this may be easy for you, but let's see. Night blindness, cirrhosis, eczema, or Kawashiorkor. Kawashiorkor we have read about in class 8 or 10. Okay, so what would be the answer? So as you can see the picture, the answer will be yes, Kawashiorkor. And if there is marasmus, the marasmus is also answer. Okay, if there will be the option of marasmus as well. So have protein much more in your diet. Okay, increase protein. Yes, next question. High intake of which of the following is advised to prevent constipation? Okay, fiber, meat, fish, all of these. First, just avoid junk food. The option is A. Chalo. High intake of which of the following is advised to prevent constipation? Fiber, meat, fish, yeah, all of these. So the answer is easy. Fiber. Yes, fiber is most important. If you don't want constipation, please eat much more fiber in your diet. Okay, so let's move on next question. And the next question is, which of the following favors the absorption of iron? Okay, so maybe this question creates some kind of confusion, but yes, you have both the options. Though, which of the following favor the absorption of iron? If there is vitamin C, so that would be your answer. But there are vitamin A and vitamin C both, but we don't have the option which showing that both is right answer. So the answer will be what? Vitamin C or vitamin A? The favor goes to vitamin C. Okay, the answer is vitamin C. So now let's move on. Next question. And you know which food has the vitamin C much more? For example, yes, I know. Maximum of you said oranges, right? In our body, glycogen is stored in liver and okay, muscle, intestine, brain, or both. So where the glycogen stored in our liver, and which part is helping to them? Okay, muscle, intestine, brain, or both. So we have glycogen in our liver and absolutely the right answer will be muscle. Okay, the skeletal muscle is the right answer. Okay, next question. 1 second, I'm just going to tick the right answer. Which cells of stomach are responsible for secretion of HCI? Parietal cell, chief cells, mucus cell, or endocrine cell? So what would be the right answer? Try yourself first. Okay, yes, the answer is parietal cells, because this is the responsible for secretion of HCI. Okay, parietal cell. Yes. I hope your preparation is going well. Average lifespan of RBC. Important and easy questions yet. So 120 weeks, 120 days, 120 hours, none of these. RBC. If you are reading about RBC, then read very clearly. There are some more questions which is connected to RBC. Okay. The answer will be 120 days or week or hours. Yes. Tell me answer. Exactly. Answer is 120 days. Okay. The average lifespan of RBC is 120 days. Okay. And This is for today's questions, and very soon we'll meet for further questions answer. And all the very best for your examinations. If you like the session, please just put the button liking and subscribe, share, and we meet soon. Bye bye.